Welcome to How to Solve. In today's video, I will teach you how to fix it when you can't download the Threads app. So you might have seen this new Threads app by Instagram, but you can't see it in your Play Store and you can't simply download it. Now I will show you ways to solve that problem, and I will tell you the reasons why you can't download that certain app. So go to your Play Store if you are on Android, then search for Threads. Now take note that there are few apps or applications that has the same name as Threads. So you better find one that says Threads and Instagram app. And this one you install. This is the right one, and you should not download anything like this purple one that is not the Threads app by Instagram. Simply this Threads and Instagram app. But if you can't find that in your Play Store, then go to your Google Chrome or any web browser you have on your phone and then search for the Threads app. Now in here, you will be able to see the Threads app and Instagram app on the App Store. If you are using an iPhone, then you click this. And if you are on Android, you scroll down until you will see this Threads and Instagram app by Google Play. And if you click this, it will lead you into the Threads and Instagram app, which you can simply download or install. No other reason than that is that maybe you are in a country where this Threads app is not currently available. So let's go to web browser and search for Threads app countries available. Now it says here that Instagram Threads has launched and is available in 100 countries, including the United States, Canada, and Japan. Let's try to scroll down until you will be able to see the list of countries Threads is currently available. And if your country is not yet on the list, then that is probably the main reason why you cannot download Threads app yet. And the next thing is that your Threads app is well connected to your Instagram. So let's go into your profile, and if you have any violations in your Instagram, that will lead you to not being able to download the Threads app. So make sure that your Instagram is clean, there's no violation in it, for you to make sure that you can download the Threads app.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.